Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a swimming pool in Revit. Let's get started. So I have my previous project open here. So as you can see, I have just a regular floor here. I'm gonna go back to level 1 and I'm gonna edit this floor. So I double click it just to edit it. And then I'm gonna place a rectangle right here. So by doing that, this will be hollowed. Let's go back to 3D. And if we check it on our shaded view, this is just an hollow area. So let's add a floor on this pool. Click in floor. Let's go back to level 1. And then just choose rectangle. And we could just go like this. And then the height offset will be negative. Let's put this at 500. Hit apply and finish. So as you can see, there's a change in elevation. We can do it further by making it 1000. Just apply. Next thing is, let's add a wall. Go to level 1 again. Click wall. Let's choose a generic 300 millimeter. And let's use a rectangle and finish interior. Once you're done, it will be like this. Next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna edit this. I'm gonna change the view to hidden line, and I'm just gonna put this one down like that. So we have our wall for our pool. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the water. So with that, we could click component, model in place, generic model, press OK, press OK, and then with this, we can do an extrusion. Let's go to level 1, and I'll choose the rectangle again. Press the check, finish it, and let's go back to 3D. And with this, we could change the height by just dragging. So I'm changing it to make it touch the floor, and this one We can change this by dragging for the height of the water. So something like that. You have to click edit in place so that once you select this, you can change the materials. Press OK and finish it. Let's look at camera view. Let's look at it at ray trace. So there you have it. We have our pool. The only thing you need to do is put some decorations like the swimming pool chair, the ladder, and some trees. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.